Hello guys, welcome back to another episode for Fiverr for beginners. So we're gonna show you guys how easy it is to actually make money on Fiverr, and Fiverr doesn't realize that, oh, see, this guy, he's doing one basically. So beware of sellers. There's a lot of sellers, so I just want to show this video to expose certain sellers that are on Fiverr and get their account banned. So this is quite easy to do. It is required you to make a video and at the same time let the Fiverr know regarding the issue. So I see a lot of user like myself that wants to promote videos on YouTube, and as a result they don't go viral or they don't get enough traffic, or we're gonna debunk this today. We're gonna show you guys one of the accounts that has been suspended by Fiverr after they seen my video, and I can show you regarding that specific seller. So this seller is no longer exist because he's been permanently banned. So as you can see here, the seller no longer available. I placed an order with this guy, and I actually exposed him regarding not knowing that he has made a lot of money. When you look at the feedback, you'll notice he has made a lot of money, and I'm glad that Fiverr made the right choice. I'm gonna continue on doing the same thing, trying to suss out genuine sellers on Fiverr for SEO marketing. Okay, so to help you guys as well. So it's gonna be a crucial if you want to exactly start your business or anything related to SEO marketing. So here we go. So this seller decides to do an organic. I don't know if you can actually see this. No, you can't. But anyways, he's decided to do an organic YouTube niche related. On his title, he has organic YouTube, relevant to your audience. So if I'm from UK, yeah, and I'm from Birmingham, guys, just to let you know, I'm expecting the users from my end, kind of regarding my end, depending on what you are doing. So I'm like part-time playing a game, and I've decided to actually throw this in just to show you guys, just to prove how to go about it. So most of you guys might know a game called Final Fantasy 14. If you do, give us a like and subscribe. You'll definitely enjoy this. Okay, so this, I'm just gonna show you guys exactly. Maybe excuse my English as well. I'm not exactly great with words as well. So according to the seller, he's done the job properly, and I told him to cancel the order. At the same time, told Fiverr obviously about his account got banned, and all on his profile it says organic, consistent traffic, and blah de blah, regarding what you should do exactly to get yourself ranked up in YouTube, which is totally false. So I just thought, he's telling me I'm a fraud buyer. Then I'll go to him. I have to make a breakdown video of this, just expose this guy. So that's what I did. He broken the Fiverr term and condition by using bots. A lot of people, even in the UK, don't realize that it does exist. A bot does exist. I'll explain a bit more regarding this. I just want to show you guys the order for now, but definitely stay tuned, and you'll definitely give us a like and subscribe and let everyone know about it. So I've given him the video, to the link that I told him to promote. I will actually bring that up. So I've given him a video. Fiverr must have looked into it and decided to ban him from Fiverr altogether. So we're gonna go off to the link now just to show you guys the video that I've given him to promote. So here it is. This is one of the links, and this is one of the Final Fantasy 14 video that I made. It's a gaming PC game, MMO, online, and I did mention regarding this to him, and actually let you guys know how to tell if it's fake traffic you're getting. regarding this, an average person, if I'm quote me if I'm wrong regarding this, but I've tried to look into this. An average person, if they have more than 1,000 views and it's organic, it's organic views, you are typically looking at about $6 if you're looking at, yeah. That's an average. If you Google it, you'll see they give you the breakdown. An average person, that's skippable ads we're talking about. So anyone that goes on YouTube, skips the ads, and that's it. You still get something out of that. You do get some sort of regarding that. Now, views and watch time and even subscribers and even likes, they can be faked. So if you didn't know this, let everyone know about this. Definitely everyone needs to know about this, because there's a lot of sellers on Fiverr that make the profile, create a gig, and you get penalized. So obviously, because you're wasting time on it, at the end of the day you're wasting your time, and obviously the money that you give, even though you get there's obviously a high chance of you getting your money back, but even then I would argue that obviously it's just waste of time. Obviously the sellers that keep on doing this, using third-party tools, and think that they can get away with it. So here we exposed one of the guys anyways. This account is banned anyways, yeah. I'm glad it happened anyway, thanks to Fiverr anyways. But regarding views, so just keep it, views, watch time, subscribers and likes can be duped, meaning there's a third-party tool out there that actually does this, and also this as well. So don't be fooled that you think that you've got views. So what the sellers tend to do is blast the traffic on the specific timing, and they just blast it, and as a result you don't get traffic afterwards. So as you can see, YouTube search, I'm not getting anything out of that. So you gotta be aware of this. It's all about YouTube, you being friendly with YouTube and the search results, not just spamming keywords and here and there. So just to be advised, if you were to do that, you don't get anything out of it. So just another thing. So direct unknown is always a common thing, common practice, where they will just spam that, and they will tell you, you marketed it, or social. They'll say something like they'll market it in social media, which if had they done that, it will actually show. I'll show you guys exactly what I mean here. So let's check the reach out. So as you can see, the impression, obviously this actually tells the YouTube how much times obviously the thumbnail has been shown to viewers on YouTube, how frequently it is. So this is what the guy. So this again, don't be fooled. Can't stress, because there's a lot of I'm telling you, a lot of buyers that actually make the same mistake. So me personally, I like the idea to expose a lot of them, and I actually do that. Even though I don't get nothing out of it, but still I just do it because I want to let the community in general know, the whole world know, that obviously there are buyers out there with the fake feedbacks as well, and even those buyers that don't know, this seller, he had a lot of feedback from the UK. I can't stress, had I shown you guys, he did have a lot of buyers from the UK, yeah. So this is where you gotta be careful regarding this. So another thing you want to look into, content suggestion. If YouTube does not know exactly what content you are giving, it's a big thing. So try to understand that it's a big thing. So content suggesting this video it's coming from a different source. So as you can see here, it's not even related to what I'm doing. So this is another alarming bell you will get regarding this. Not only that, you will also get a source of external site. Normally you should, like 100%, you should get anything related to your proportion of your traffic, where it's coming from. It should come here. If the seller is saying he's going to do social media, then know that from Twitter or Facebook with a relevant audience, then you'll actually get them here. Okay, and here I've already explained. So don't I can't stress enough, don't get yourself thinking that you've achieved something. No, know that even though I got even though I got 3.9k of views, that's not views, that's just spammed. And it's a bit unfortunate that obviously it's happened, but obviously this is the thing nowadays. Obviously that's a lot of even though you go for the cheapest option, which I tend to do, and just to figure out what's going on, the other reason, if it's not organic, it won't come in Google's search. I've already tried this, just to put this keywords in. If no one's using it, I'm expecting to go up in Google search, but it's nothing like that. So yeah, so this is something big, and obviously I'm very fortunate. Obviously, this look, even here, this can be spammed. So don't be fooled thinking that you're getting traffic from the United States, Kingdom, Germany, even though you tell the seller get this traffic from the Europe side. So you gotta be careful regarding this. So you always think twice, and also like and subscribe and let everyone know about this, because they need to know about this. I can't stress enough exposing certain sellers on Fiverr. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like our videos, it helps a lot. And thank you for watching.